Hey everybody, this is Ant, and this is my first mukbang. And I've got some Five Guys burger and fries. So let's get everything situated. Also have some juice, Mountain Dew drink. Five Guys fries. And a Five Guys burger. And this is a double with bacon, no lettuce, tomato, onion, and a little pickle. I haven't had Five Guys in a while, so I decided, well, let me grab a burger today. So, all right. It's pretty good. So how many of you guys like Five Guys? Or what's your favorite burger chain? Five Guys, Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, Jack in the Box. What's your favorite burger place? Let me know in the comments below. As I said, this is my first mukbang. I used to do like funny skits and stuff like that on my page, and you'll see those. But since like everybody has a mukbang page, so I decided, well, let me do one and get in where I fit in. So, who are some of your favorite mukbangers? Let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to try to do this more often and be more active on my YouTube page. So, so if you're watching this, hello. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So how's your Saturday going? Mine's going okay. I just got back in. It's about noon. I'm sure the lighting is not the best it could be, but I'll work on that for the next one. You guys like Five Guys fries? They're okay. What's your favorite fry? Personally, I like McDonald's fries. I like that they're hand cut. And they used to give you a lot. A whole lot of French fries. So what do some of you guys have planned for this evening or this weekend? Let me know in the comments. So what do you guys like on your burgers? Like on mine, I got tomato, onion, and pickle. Do you like the works? No, I don't like the works. I just like a couple of things. So who are some of your favorite mukbangers or mukbang channels? I like B Loves Life. I like what's the other one? Miriam. It's so good. Her channel, I like her. Who else? Ayo Trav. He's a newer. I think he's a newer person, but I like his channel. He seems to have good energy. Let me know who you guys like so I can check them out. Or if you have a channel, let me know in the comments so we can follow each other. You follow me, I'll follow you back. You know what's not good? Cold fries. And like if you heat them up, it still doesn't taste. They still don't taste the same. Even whether they're hot or just throw it away. Well, I think I'm going to say sign off for now. I just wanted to drop in and introduce myself. Again, my name is Ant. It's a new channel. I would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to endeavor to be more consistent with the channel. I do a lot of funny skits. I'm going to start doing more mukbangs and other things, interviews and things of that nature. So if you like what you see, give me a like, a comment, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time.